Good morning, Valpo. This is your meteorologist, Sarah Mitman, here with your Storm Shield weather update. Looking into today, we could see that it's going to be clear but very cold. But looking into the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to see that it warms up, but also with a chance of freezing rain and snow, which I'll talk a little bit about that in a couple of minutes. Taking a look at our temperatures here, we're sitting very cold with Valpo at 11 degrees, Chicago sitting at 9, and Wheatfield sitting at 11 degrees. But progressing throughout the day, you could see that it warms up, kind of cools down a little bit, but not too much of a temperature fluctuation heading into the evening here at 8 o'clock with Valpo sitting at 12 degrees, Wheatfield sitting at 16, and Chicago at 14. Progressing throughout the evening and into Friday morning, we see a nice warm up there with Valpo at 20 degrees, Chicago at 22, and Wheatfield also at 22. And throughout the day, we see that it progresses to a nice 32 degrees right at the freezing line with Wheatfield at 34, Chicago at 32, heading into Friday evening. Taking a look at our radar here, we see there's a little bit of snow lingering that morning, but it clears out. No cloud cover whatsoever, pretty much clear here throughout Thursday and throughout Thursday night and into Friday morning. We see a little bit of clouds creeping in there and coming in throughout the day, but in the nighttime it seems a nice pocket of clear skies. Continuing on through Friday and into Saturday, we see that cloud cover coming in with that freezing rain and snow I talked about earlier, which is bringing those clouds in. Looking at today, a nice little overview with mostly sunny skies. Temperatures sitting at 14 degrees, so still very cold for the high. Winds west-northwest from 5 to 10 miles an hour. Heading into tonight, we see that are going to be nice clear skies, but it's going to be a low of 7 degrees, which is very cold, so please bundle up if you're walking around on campus tonight. With the winds southwest 10 to 15 miles an hour. Heading into tomorrow, we see that nice little warm up of 32 degrees for the high, partly sunny. As we saw on the radar, we saw that it was heading, a bit of clouds coming in and out throughout the day. Winds at south-southwest, 10 miles an hour there. Looking into our 5-day forecast, we see that Friday, as I talked about, high of 32, low of 25, with clouds, some sun. Heading into Saturday, we see that freezing rain coming in with a nice high of 37 degrees, a low of 24. Not too much of a temperature fluctuation. Same with Sunday. We have slippery conditions as we have rain and snow forecasted for that day, high of 34, low of 27. Monday, heading into Monday, we see there's a bit of flurries in the forecast, not too much precipitation. The temperatures drop to a high of 26, low of 18. Heading into Tuesday, we see the sun coming out, but it still will be chilly with a high of 29 and a low of 14. I'm your meteorologist, Sarah Mitman, and have a lovely day.